So here we go. I just arrived from Johannesburg. I've been on a training camp with the ABSA boys in KwaZulu-Natal, and now I'm back here in the mother city, Cape Town. Really happy about. Now I'm going to meet my friend Udo Bölts because we're riding the Tankwa Trek together. And yeah, it was a really cool decision. Short term, 3 weeks before, I asked Udo, hey, are we going for a race together? And he admitted directly, okay, we go.
Yeah, now after 2 years, I'm back in Cape Town. I didn't think that I come back so quick, so fast again to Cape Town, but about 3 weeks ago, Karl Platt asked me to race with him Tankwa Trek 2022, and I said, ooh, yeah, I'm not very well trained, and I'm Karl, I think 13 years older than you, and I'm not sure if I'm the right partner. And he said, oh, don't be worried, Udo, we can do it. I look after you, and I don't make it too hard for you.
Good morning. How are you? Perfect day to pick up the mobile home. Yeah, we're renting a mobile home for the race. The idea, first of all, was to stay in a tent, in the red tents, the small ones. But so last second decision was a bit more luxuries because the experience in the red tents wasn't that good. And if we have the luxury to rent a mobile home, we take for sure this opportunity here. I'm the bus driver now. Good this morning, so lucky the rain stopped, because when we started in Cape Town it was pouring rain. Good morning. Welcome. This is your castle, no? This is some of my castle. Yeah, we arrived at Vincent's place. Now we're packing all the stuff together for the week. Bikes, gazebo, spare parts.
I'm packing all the stuff together. You?
Okay, you started, but I'm helping. And it's important to think of all the stuff, but that's why I have Vincent with me, or with us, because he's a professional in everything.
So we're on our way to get some breakfast, and then of course coffee, and then do some shopping just to make sure we have enough food for everybody for the weekend, and then we're off on our way to the first race.
Yeah, we must make sure that we have enough food, because to travel with this big sucker wouldn't be easy. So yeah, we need to think of. But you know my shopping list, right? I just go through everywhere. And exactly. I think we would do too much stuff.
Yeah, it's very special. It was actually my last mountain bike race, and I left here 2 years ago, and now I'm back. Atmosphere catches me, feel it, and looking forward. And also looking forward to meet the people tonight and talk to them. And it's going to be a very interesting, exciting day for me. So we arrived at the camp now, found a good spot that's going to work for us, and now just unpacking quickly, getting everything ready, unpacking the shopping, making sure that we set up our little setup. It's not massive here, but it's great, and it's always important because it's home. So it'll be a couple of chairs and some tables, and our coffee station is ready, power's on, plinth is out, so we're ready to roll. Karl and Udo are looking after the bikes quickly after a long flight, and they had an easy ride, and a couple of small things they need to check: tire pressure, make sure that the gears are shifting, and those machines are designed to race, so it should be all good. It's very good.
Okay, what do you think of today? Today's the first stage, and we're gonna smash it. Volle Kanone, everything we have.
World champion at the moment, 44 years old. Udo Bölts a bit older, 12 times in the Tour de France. Team captain of Team Tankwa.
So today, first stage prologue. It was more than a prologue, I would say. It was a real stage, 29 kilometers. Absolutely awesome single tracks, bam, 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 left, right, up, down, so much fun. And yeah, I must say this old guy, 55 years old, he was sticking to my wheel, unbelievable. So when I grow up, I want to be like him.
Yeah, unfortunately I could enjoy the scenery and something. I saw only racing pants with bulls on and turning legs. That's all the whole day I saw. Maybe for 100 meters in the front, not more, but I rode better than I thought. I thought, it's hard after this winter and not serious training, but it was honestly one of my best races ever, and I like it. You know, it's German coffee time, so I stay with.
Udo needs to calm down with the coffee.
No, it's a tradition. It's tradition, you know. It's
now I know, because I'm vaccinated 3 times. That's why.
So you know, the rubbing legs or the recovery part of the treatment is basically just to check for small little niggles or issues that they might have gotten during the day. But as important is for us to have an opportunity to debrief, to stand and chat a little bit about what happened during the stage and what worked, what didn't work.
Yeah, this event is super iconic. I can't really remember when it was my first time, but it was always like a great race. Great hospitality, a really nice vibe. We enjoyed every year, and that's why I'm loving it to come back to Tankwa Trek and being here in this beautiful place.
One has won the Epic 5 times, the other has ridden the Tour de France 12 times. He was road captain for Telecom, he's never left his bike. From Team Bulls Masters, 1:10:04 today. Let's give him a big round of applause. Udo Bölts and Karl Platt. Well done, let's give a big round of applause. Third place, Carthenian. And Hannes Coxer second, Craig Uri and Udo Bölts. But in the middle, Udo Bölts and Karl Platt, 2 iconic mountain bikers. Karl, are you not going to try on your jersey?
It's about 4:45, 5 o'clock in the morning. What we normally do is make a little coffee for the guys, wake them up in bed, have some toast, a couple of things that they normally have for breakfast. But my guys are not really muesli and eggs kind of guys, they're more just a piece of toast with some chocolate spread on, and then they're happy to go.
So we had a pretty cold night. After all the heat last week, it was quite embarrassing to freeze even in the camper van. I don't even know how the guys in the tents felt, but yeah, I think it will heat up quite quickly. And yeah, now I'm going to prepare some bottles. So I think for today we need 2 bottles. We can't carry more. I don't know if Udo is riding with a camelback or something like this. Yeah, I'm taking some jaws.
Our mixed leaders right in the front where they should be as they leave us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and away you go, they match. Good luck today, right, taking the off your partner.
Is in front. We're going high speed. Arschloch bin ich.
Nee, bin ich.
Alter.
Aber doch, ich glaube, ich überhaupt keine Kraft nicht.
Yeah, it's. I mean, we know that stage. Normally, we ride it the other way around, but now it was a new experience to ride it the wrong way. Yeah, I mean, this stage is super hard because you have steep climbs, loose gravel, loose underground, some nice trails, but always work. It was 4 hours of work, hard work.
Terrific riding once
I hope
again,
there's
Yuki.
a bus tonight back to Cape Town.
And
It'd be a better option.
Let's
continue to another today with this machine.
Country,
Is there a bus? I don't think so. So from the line we go directly to the wash bay, get the bikes clean and then check for any damages on the frame. From there going through the components, making sure everything's still working the way it should, and they're ready to go for tomorrow. Okay, yeah, so we take the bike not completely apart but go through every component, make sure there's no wear, unnecessarily wear on all the major parts. Yeah, make sure they don't have any mechanicals the next day.
He's been strong all the time. Good level. I told him, "Hey Udo, you're riding really strong today." And he told, "Shut up, fucker, I know how I'm riding." We had 2 stage wins now. Now you can go.
Thank you very much. You know, it's nice.
Thanks, Karl.
It's been a nice experience. It's gonna be a big night out in Camps Bay. Oh. Today is today, tomorrow is tomorrow. It's a new day. I never give up. I'm not afraid of Marina Monster. Marina Monster is afraid of me.
It's not a job. It's a nice invitation to Momentum, to the main sponsor of Tankwa Trek, and it's great to be here with the people, meet and greet, maybe have a glass of wine, and having a good time, chat, and yeah, just being here.
They really are world-class riders. If you win the Epic 5 times, if you're the world champion in your age group in the marathon, and if you've ridden the Tour de France 12 times, you must be good. Listen to those times. We are 54:22. Karl Platt and Udo Bölts, the Team Bulls Masters.
Good morning, stage 3. The mornings get a bit harder every morning. The coffee we need for sure, and the food doesn't taste anymore in these early mornings. Yeah, today 99 kilometers, Marina Monster on the menu. It's a long climb with a great view. After today's stage, it's more or less done. Sweet to catch the ladies. How are you this morning?
I'm fantastic. How are you, Karl?
Very, very well. You're riding well.
great ride, our first Masters team. That is phenomenal.
I was outstanding bad, but mentally I was a rock.
How was that?
It was a challenge for me this year. Not good legs. Yeah. Down better than I expected. Main thing is done. That's you know, it's Saturday, and on top of Marina Monsters there's a different feeling. You see the light in the tunnel.
It was a super hard stage. You always forget how tough the stage is, and this reminds you always. It's never ending. It's never ending climb. Yeah, Udo did incredibly well. I mean, this guy is 55 and he's so strong in his mind. He never gives up. And even when he has a bad moment, just go through and volle Kanone after. So the last part we were on speed again and lots of fun. Udo, danke. Yes. We are coming to there for
I'm feeling tired, yeah. The body is a little bit sore. I'm looking forward to the last day, but I always have in a stage race a big respect before the last day. I mean, this is also it's a normal stage. We have a comfortable gap, but we have to be careful. It's very important that we come through safe with our bikes, no mechanicals, and all these things. Yeah, but the main thing is you look forward to the end. Yeah, these 4 days are over. You have the chance to recover and enjoy what you achieved, hopefully, and time to think about all the experiences you made here. And,
30 seconds to go. The amazing Karl Platt and Udo Bölts. Here we go, Udo's getting a selfie taken.
sorry for holding you up to becoming place 8 GC overall or 9. It's very disappointing.
How was that, Udo?
That was once in a lifetime thing.
Thank you. What a legend. Final stage, Tankwa Trek, always delivered. And also this week it was an unbelievable event. Great vibe, great food, great people, so much fun. I will back for sure next year again. And we had it was also a special experience with Udo Bölts riding. This guy, 55 years old and hanging in, still strong. So I wish when I'm 55 I could be that fit like this guy. So great week and
they're happy with their final stage.
full gas.